Hi, welcome. Today you are at So9 7.0 by the bazaarproject.in. We have been doing Navratri collection under So9 for the past 7 years. આજે અહીંયા 19 brands છે from Bombay, Baroda, Ahmedabad presenting to you women's wear, accessories, silver jewelry, kids outfits and more than 3 brands doing your menswear collection. So all of you who are interested for buying Navratri shopping can come here 12th and 13th of September at Travelers Home on SD Highway, along with doing your hashtag Pasno setting for Fair Fudadiyar Kids Garba, Pachamna Garba and Navras, which is a new property that we introduced. So jaldi thi passes અને નવરાત્રીના outfits અને jewelry ખરીદવા આવી જાઓ.
Hi, this is Nirjari from Brand by Nirjari, and what you see is what we make. We make all accessories made from textile, brass, and old pieces. We have skirts this time. These are for Navratri and Diwali special, and we are really famous for our hair accessories. So we have a lot of hair accessories this time, like these, all the pieces. So yes, this is what Brand by Nirjari is. Thank you.
So this is Amor and it's all about simplicity. જે રીતે આ સેટ દેખાય છે with બાદલા without બાદલા એકદમ અલગ અલગ કલર્સમાં you can see contrast દુપટ્ટા સાથે. These are the combinations that they have made બાદલા સાથે અને they also have this. So if you're a fan of minimalism, brand Amor is for you. They also have it for Safed Ishq, and apart from that they also have blouses and dupattas to complete the look. So we have Mansi Gajjar here, and a look at the chaniya cholis that they have. This is the most viral one je hatu emnu vintage સાથે dupatta and chaniya pair. You can mix and match as well. Then we have the Kutchi one, kapda inspired blouse છે long, and the other look that she's carrying herself એ પણ તમે જોઈ શકો. So આ બધા જ blouses, chaniya dupattas you can mix and match. There are lot many collection જે તમે personally try કરીને જોશો તો બહુ જ મજા આવશે. Thank you, Mansi. And then we have Almashi here. It's all about prints, where you can see women's lehenga, something like this. You've got more options. Jema she develops her prints herself. So ek તમે જોઈ શકો જેમાં see. We got more options. So if you don't want to go with the traditional, the typical Navratri look, you can go with this. This you can style afterwards in weddings too. And apart from that, they also customize kids collection and menswear too. Right. So this is EBN. They have pure silver jewelry collection, and look at that. And your designs, and your detailing of the work, that is something that you won't find it. Like I have not seen it anywhere else. Look at this. So if you are a fan of silver jewelry, if you want something more of designer, this is the brand that you should visit. You must visit actually. So this is EBN. We have more collection that you have to visit them personally and see. The designer herself is here. And if you don't want to go with pure silver, you can go with German silver for this Navratri season, in which આપણી પાસે અહીંયા brand છે. See, we have statement pieces જો આપણને થોડું contemporary માં જવું હોય, change માં જવું હોય, bracelets are there. We have AD, we have Kundan, Jadao jewelry. So basically jewelry no solution. We have it here for all your looks.
Hi, so this is Rishi Bhatia. We have some menswear collection which you need to see. We have something this, something more exciting, have something plains in our Chanya Choli collection, multicolored. We have mirror work, everything available at Rishi Bhatia.
This is Moh by Manjri. They are brought the Kutchi collection જેને ગજી સાથે અમે સ્ટાઇલ કર્યું છે અને આ બોર્ડરમાં જે પર્પલ છે એની સાથે કોન્ટ્રાસ્ટ દુપટ્ટો they have given. Apart from this, they also have this cotton collection જેનો ફ્લેર કેટલો છે? 10 meters કરતા વધારેનો ફ્લેર છે. Just look at this half and half designs that they have. Right, lumpy and a border માં પણ બે અલગ અલગ છે. So chanias માં they also have more options, and apart from that they have their famous bandhani dupattas. Right, and blouses too.
હાઈ ધ બ્રાન્ડ નેમ ઇઝ મોરતંત્ર. અમારી જ્વેલરી બ્રાસ બેઝ આવે છે અને એમાં સિલ્વર એન્ડ ગોલ્ડ પ્લેટિંગમાં આવશે, જળતર રિયલ આવશે, સેમી પ્રિશિયસ બીડ્સ આવે છે, ઇયરિંગ્સ છે, નેક પીસ છે. ધીઝ આર ધ ન્યૂ નેક પીસ વિથ ડિફરન્ટ સ્ટાઇલ. બધા સ્ટેટમેન્ટ પીસ છે, રિંગ્સ છે, નેક પીસ સ્મોલ નેક પીસ છે આ બધા સેમ ગોલ્ડ પ્લેટેડ એન્ડ સિલ્વર પ્લેટિંગ હેર બન કપ છે.
So we have Dandelier by Nupur and look at this color combination જેની સ્ટાઇલ છે અને એનો ફ્લેર 14 to 15 મીટર્સનો છે, વેરી પ્રિટી. એન્ડ જો તમારે વ્હાઇટ્સમાં કંઈક ખાદી ઇન્સ્પાયર્ડ કંઈ જોવું હોય તો this is the one that you can go with. એના બ્લાઉઝની કટ્સ એને જે ડિટેલિંગ છે કોડીની અને કોઇલની, that's really pretty. And the one that she is wearing is also the highlight of the show. Right. Can we see her? Yeah, that's the twirl that you can get. So this is Dandelier by Nupur.
We are from Rhythm Boutique, and this one collection again in stock. So do visit Travelers Home today. And we have also this one in collection, only one piece and multiple blouses. We have only 3 pieces जो heavy one available है. This one, this blue and this red.
So this is Tulip by Amita. This is their new collection that I'm showcasing. A brass based આખું collection છે, contemporary jewelry ના જો તમે ફેન હોય તો આ રીતનું કે તમે તમારા નવરાત્રી લુક સાથે સ્ટાઇલ કરી શકો. નવરાત્રી collection special એમણે આટલા બધા કલર્સ એડ કર્યા છે. So this is Nirvat કે if you like simplicity, this brand is for you. એમનો ચનિયા દુપટ્ટાના sets are here. You can mix and match your blouses. They have blouses too. સેટ્સમાં આપણે બીજા જોઈએ તો this kind of color combination, they have all the options. Customization is also possible. They also have blouses and pastel tones કે આ રીતનું કે જેવું હોય તો
pure Tanchoi Banarsi. So this is just different from all of your cottons and mulls. This is a very rich and affluent. So this one is a very pretty maroon and green, the two-tone. This one's in a pretty black with a bib and a bustier, so which can be worn separately or as a set. Nikita Vishakha.
So we have fashion story here. It's all about prints. The one that she's wearing is patola print, and then we have this beautiful color combination, shades of blue if you like. એમના બધા જ blouses are customizable, so you can get it as per your style and comfort. Then printsમાં જો બધા option જોઈએ તો we have this beautiful color combination here. And yes, apart from this, we also have like a huge range. And the one that she's showing is the Pichwai collection with brown. Yeah, so this is fashion story. So we have Meeti, and look at that collection. Akhu rich look આપે છે. And the collection is not just about Navratri. It's something that you can wear in weddings too. Color combination, એમના જે work છે, that is the attraction of this brand. And apart from Chaniya Cholis, જેની આખી range તમે એને explore કરી શકો, we also have men's collection here. Abla સાથે beautiful styles, જેમાં color options, we have it here. Look at that. So this is Meeti. And moving on, we have the brand that you know, Zen Sparrow. એમનું આખું કચ્છી collection જે બહુ famous છે. એમાં they have wide range of blouses, something like this. That's a long one. Yes, the chaniyas, blouses, right, and dupattas too. જેમાં again આખી એટલી બધી રેન્જ છે કે જે તમે પર્સનલી વિઝિટ કરશો ને તો તમને બહુ મજા આવશે જોવાની. This section is blouse, dupatta and chaniyas. We have cutest kids collection from Advi Kids. Starting with the girls collection, just look at the colors and જે fabric અને choose કર્યું છે, that is going to be very comfortable on the skin. So 1 to 10 years સુધી, 1 to 9 years સુધી એમની પાસે રેડીમાં છે. બાકી they can customize to whatever size or age group you want it to be. So the color combination, the comfort level is something that your kid needs. This is Tunbai, જેમનું આખું જેમના ઘેરા છે. એમનું કલેક્શન ઓલમોસ્ટ સોલ્ડ આઉટ છે. ગુર્જરી પ્રિન્ટ્સમાં તમને જવું હોય, મલ કોટન્સમાં જવું હોય, ઓરિજિનલ લંપા સાથે કોઈ પણ શેડ્સમાં જવું હોય, 40 મીટર સુધીનો એમનો ઘેર is the reason the brand is very famous.